Welcome to our lecture on reinforcement and punishment as principles of learning. In this session, we will explore how reinforcement and punishment shape behavior in organizations, helping to create productive and harmonious work environments. We will delve into key concepts like positive and negative reinforcement, effective punishment techniques, and essential guidelines for maintaining discipline. Let's begin this insightful journey into organizational behavior. Reinforcement and punishment are two fundamental principles of learning that play a critical role in shaping behavior within an organizational setting. Reinforcement refers to methods that strengthen desirable behaviors, encouraging their repetition. Positive reinforcement operates by providing rewards or incentives when the desired behavior is exhibited. For instance, rewarding an employee with bonuses or recognition for being punctual motivates them to continue their timely attendance. On the other hand, negative reinforcement focuses on removing an unpleasant stimulus to encourage behavior. For example, an employee who adheres to workplace guidelines to avoid supervisor criticism learns to consistently follow the rules. Punishment is used to address and reduce undesirable behaviors by applying consequences that deter repetition. For example, if an employee violates company rules, a suspension might be used as punishment to discourage such behavior in the future. However, it is essential to use punishment judiciously to avoid unintended consequences, such as reinforcing attention-seeking behavior or fostering resentment. Administering punishment in a workplace setting requires careful planning and execution to achieve its intended goal, correcting undesirable behavior without causing long-term damage to morale or relationships. It is crucial to understand that punishment should aim to suppress the behavior temporarily while encouraging individuals to adopt better alternatives. Overuse or excessively harsh punishment can lead to resentment or even retaliation. For instance, providing warnings before imposing penalties ensures employees are given a fair chance to correct their behavior. Discipline in organizations works best when managers focus on reinforcing positive behaviors rather than relying solely on punishment. Reinforcement has fewer side effects and promotes a more positive work environment. However, when punishment is necessary, it should be applied rationally and consistently. The guidelines for effective discipline include clear communication of expectations through verbal warnings, creating written agreements for accountability, and escalating consequences progressively from time off, with or without pay, to, ultimately, termination if necessary. By following these structured steps, managers can ensure fairness and transparency while maintaining organizational harmony. Thank you for watching this session on reinforcement and punishment in organizational learning. If you found this content valuable, please like the video, share it with your peers, and subscribe to our channel for more lectures and insights on organizational behavior. See you in the next session.